One day, after a child finished studying, learn about planets in science. I admire the images of the planets and the information of each planet. And he started thinking about learning more of detail to satisfy his imagination and curiosity. And the best source full of information was the internet. He kept surfing on it for a long time. There were many thoughts and questions in his mind. He left no question, one without looking for, and finds him a satisfying and convincing answer. And the next morning it was Friday, day off. Use this day to continue his journey in the search for planets. And he thought about organizing his information in a notebook so as not to remain scattered in his mind. But when he grabbed a pen, he didn't know where to start or what information to write first. I had this problem with him for a few minutes. He decided to look again. And he just writes information that answers his questions. Because the internet contains a huge amount of information, which is more than a child can accommodate. Then he started arranging his thoughts. And he began by asking, how many planets? And what are their names? What are the characteristics of each planet? And that's in order. As for Mercury, it is the first planet and the closest to the Sun. Venus has a day longer than a day on Earth. Earth is the only planet that has oceans. And it is the only known planet that supports life. And Jen kept writing a little information in order and organization so that he could understand and assimilate. Mars is the last of the terrestrial planets. Along with Mercury, Venus, and Earth, Jupiter is the largest planet in the solar system and the fastest rotating on its axis, which are characterized by brightness and breadth, making it one of the most beautiful planets. Uranus is considered one of the coldest planets, with the lowest temperatures of all the planets. As for Neptune, 1 year in it is equal to 165 years on Earth. And finally, Pluto, which has not been considered a planet since 2006. He never got bored of writing about all this information, expressing his knowledge of words. He also loved to paint, to show his imagination through the shapes and beauty of the planets. As a child, every piece of information he learned raised a question, deepening his thinking and fueling his imagination. The internet is full of pictures and videos that satisfy curiosity on their own, showing beautiful scenes and deep thoughts that explain everything. After 2 weeks of research, he thought, I've learned a lot. But he worried, would curious children understand all this? Or would they be bored and content with simple information? He kept wondering how he could share knowledge in a way that kept their curiosity alive. He had a great idea in mind. He organizes all the information he understood about planets in a fun way for children. Write each question and answer it in a simple and easy way suitable for young people. Draw pictures on each page and decorate the book with beautiful colors and planetary shapes. His older brother helped and encouraged him to keep going, and also helped him post it on networking sites. His book was admired by many, and he achieved his goal of children understanding planets easily and without fatigue.